Bricks and Minifigs is your one-stop shop for all things LEGO. Hit the link below to find a store near you.
Hi, I'm Felix Mezei, the designer of this Neuschwanstein Castle replica with over 57,000 LEGO pieces. The parts are available for sale on my website felixmezei.eu as a complete set of new, never used, original LEGO bricks, or you can buy just the building instructions book. I will now present some facts and helpful tips about handling, transporting and assembling my creation. Each of the three modules are built separately, and in the end you simply join them into the completed castle. For transportation I use a simple inexpensive IKEA table called LAC. With the legs removed it's very strong but light. This table isn't wide enough for the middle module. I usually use it for transportation and not for display purposes. When transporting by car on long distances, I wrap some plastic foil around each module to prevent the module from slipping off the table, and if it is inadvertently hit, I won't lose LEGO parts. The building is strong, but I attended many LEGO exhibitions, so I avoid problems by taking a few big pieces apart, including the big tower, the chimneys, and the statues. I use some extra 1x1 round plates of different colors to keep track of the chimney's position. You can lift each module by holding your fingers under as many parts as possible to spread the contact area. To avoid having an obviously visible separation line between the three modules of the castle, I designed them with interlocking segments, some of which slide on top, some slide under the others. The following are a few tips to make it easier to attach the modules. Of course, it must be built according to the building instructions. Very important is to have a perfectly level table capable of supporting the 42 kilograms or 91 pounds without bending. The castle is very tall and I designed it with many place levels, so all of the parts must be correctly connected and pressed into each other. You must align the modules and push one into the other, pressing downwards or upwards in some points if there is resistance. Always push the gate only from the 10-color entrance tower side and the body from the hill side. If you encounter difficult situations, you can remove small chunks of segments which you can easily put back on once the modules are joined. You are almost done. A little wall segment will keep the first two modules connected, and you can also set in place the fence section. By acquiring from me the complete set of parts or the building instruction manual, you will receive a set of custom-made stickers for free. Free shipping, free stickers, including one with the unique serial number of your Neuschwanstein. You can place it here by applying it on a 1x8 tile. I hope this video was informative and you enjoyed displaying your Neuschwanstein. Please make sure you also watch the main video presentation of my design in the link below. Thank you for your interest in Neuschwanstein. This is my work of art in Lego parts. Please visit my website, my Facebook page, and of course be sure to visit the real castle in Bavaria, Germany. See you in your living room with a Neuschwanstein.